Hey YouTube, so over the course of the last winter, my lock cylinder snapped off due to the cold weather. So I'm just gonna make a video on how to replace this. I got the part off of Rock Auto. It was like 13 bucks. It includes 2 sets of keys. I took one off, but this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna show you first of all how to open the lift gate without this. So taking a pair of pliers, you can grab right onto this and twist it 90 degrees and it will unlock the tailgate. So a lift gate is held on by a couple of screws around the entire outside. Looks like there's one on each side here and then there's a couple along the back. I'm just going to go and remove those real quick. Okay, the bracket has to come off. It's held on with 4 10mm bolts. I'm going to just remove those really quick. Okay, now that's off. Clip is out. Alright, it just popped out like that. That was no problem. One can go all up in there. Like that. Gotta slide this clip back in now. This is gonna be a tricky part. Or not so tricky. I guess that was pretty easy. Try to bend this back into shape. And when you turn it, it activates this bar, and in theory it should work. So I'm just gonna start putting everything back together and we'll test it out. Alright, so before I put everything back together, we're gonna see if it actually works. Beautiful. Pretty quick and easy. Now I just gotta put everything else back together and it'll be done. So if that helped you out, leave a comment or like the video or something. And if you have any questions, feel free to post those below. Thank you for watching.